Welcome back to Morrocco Method, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, CEO, founder, and today I'd like to talk about our elixir series. Back in the 1960s, I created 5 shampoos, 5 conditioners. I felt 5 senses, 5 toes, 5 elements, 5 types of hair on the body. 5 was plenty. But as Morrocco Method evolved, I started creating more products. Got into henna, which I felt was critical to do all natural hair color. Got into styling products, which I felt was critical for hair loss. And I was realizing that the oils in India are the finest oils in the world. India's culture goes back over 40,000 years. So that got me starting to ponder. I decided to create the 4 elixir series as my first. And it was basically to use into the hairline, into the hair thinning. So I started it on myself, actually, right into the crown, top of the head, and every morning to massage lightly into the hairline. So that brings us into energies. I teach Qigong. I'm a Qigong master after 55 years of doing Qigong, working with Qigong, studying with Qigong masters, and now I teach Qigong. So the Elixir series represents a very high level of energy, ethereal energies. Now that women are starting to really experience hair thinning, I created the 4 series, we have 3, and then we have the 2. All for hair loss and hair thinning, but anyone with great hair, normal hair, luxurious hair, especially for models and people in the industries, or really needing to look your best, to put a few drops, massage in, brush in the evening before going to bed. You can put right into the hairline. So the Elixir series, all of them promote new hair growth, really healthy, luxurious hair. What we need, lubricant, we only can produce as we mature so much sebaceous gland oils. So we need to have a boost. And the Elixir series all add into that. Take a look at our videos. We have so many videos. Google MorroccoMethod.com, Elixirs, the 4 series, 3 series, 2 series. All right, our health is our wealth. Let's make it happen. The Elixir series to the rescue. From everyone here at Morrocco Method, the entire team, we really are grateful for your support, trusting and believing in the most natural 100% hair care line in the world.